How often should a man release sperm? A person who has a penis may be able to come anywhere from 1 to 5 times in a single session. Some people may be able to come more often than that in a marathon masturbation or sex session. However, it's important to know that ejaculation should never be uncomfortable. There's no need to push yourself to come more frequently. If you do experience pain, it's time to slow things down a bit. Watch this video to learn more about how this happens, why ejaculating isn't the same thing as orgasming, and more. Yes, it's possible to come more than once. You don't have a limited or dwindling supply of semen, so you won't run out. When semen is released from the testes and the epididymis and exits the end of the penis during ejaculation, the body immediately begins producing more. You may notice, however, that each subsequent ejaculation produces less semen. That's to be expected. Your body won't reach its typical reserves in the brief period of time between ejaculations. After you ejaculate, you have a down period. During this time, your penis may not stay or become erect, and you won't be able to ejaculate again. This is known as the refractory period. Each person's refractory period is different. For young people, the time is likely to be shorter, lasting only a few minutes. For an older person, it's likely to be longer. It could be more than 30 minutes, several hours, or even days. Refractory periods can change throughout your life. You may be able to shorten this recharge period by coming more often. However, the time it takes to be ready for erection and ejaculation again is largely out of your control. Some people may be able to orgasm without ejaculating. Likewise, you may be able to ejaculate more than once without reaching orgasm. It's common to assume the two events always happen together, but that isn't always the case. An orgasm is an increase in sensitivity and sensations. It causes muscular contractions while the heart rate and blood pressure climb. This is a period of intense pleasure, and it usually precedes ejaculation by several seconds. Ejaculation is the process by which the body releases stored semen. While that's happening, your brain and body are also releasing neurotransmitters that send your body into the refractory period. Both can happen independently of the other. It may be possible to increase one of these without increasing the other, or to increase both at the same time. If you want to go for more than one ejaculation, try this. Coming more than once in a single session is possible. It may take some work on your part to build up stamina, but many people can achieve this. 1. Practice Kegels. You may be surprised to learn how much Kegels and other pelvic floor exercises can benefit those who have a penis. Kegel exercises can help you zero in on and strengthen the muscles around your bladder, groin, and penis. They also can help increase blood flow and sensation. This may reduce the refractory period and increase your likelihood of ejaculating more than once. A basic Kegel exercise requires you to flex your pelvic floor muscles. To try it out, imagine you were trying to stop urinating midstream. Hold that contraction for 5 to 20 seconds, and repeat several times. Do this daily for several weeks, and you may begin to notice a change in your refractory period, as well as the number of times you can come in a row. 2. Hold off on masturbating. Sensation increases the longer you go without sexual stimulation. If you're aiming to come multiple times on a specific day or for a specific occasion, consider holding off with any masturbation plans for at least a day or two. This will increase tension, and it may help you come more times in a row. If you want to go for more than one orgasm, try this. You may also be able to have more than one orgasm in a row, with or without ejaculating. However, as with trying to ejaculate multiple times, achieving multiple orgasms in a row takes a little work and patience. 1. Squeeze method. The squeeze method may take a few trial and error runs, so try not to be disappointed if you can't quite master it on the first run. This method requires listening to your body perhaps more than you have in previous sexual activities, but it can have great results. As you're about to reach orgasm, you can attempt to stop the orgasm by holding down where the glans or head of your penis meets the shaft. You should gently hold down until the impending urge to ejaculate or orgasm subsides. Your erection may also grow softer during this time. When the feeling passes, you can resume sexual activity. 2. Stop-start method. The stop-start method, also known as edging, is another form of orgasm control. In this method, you delay your orgasm to produce a more pleasurable experience later on. Edging may increase the intensity of your orgasm. It may also increase your likelihood of having multiple orgasms. When you're close to orgasm, stop what you're doing. You should hit the brakes on any activity that send you over the edge. You can resume activity when the feeling passes. You can edge multiple times, but keep in mind that the longer you delay, the more difficult it may become to stop yourself in time. Regular edging may increase your overall stamina and allow you to delay or control your orgasms as desired. 3. The bottom line, coming more than once isn't the only way to prolong sexual activity. You can try any number of tips and tricks to make sex last longer without forcing yourself into multiple orgasms or ejaculations. However, it's possible for most people to ejaculate or reach orgasm several times in one session. You may have to build up to a stamina that lets you do this, but as with all sexual activities, it's part of learning and having fun. Listen to your body as you try new things. You may find that other activities are more enjoyable without the added pressure of trying to reach a certain number. Discover how to supercharge your libido and sexual desire and get more bigger, and harder, and longer-lasting erections and frequent and intense orgasms. Click link below video to learn more. Learn how to better control over erections. And learn how to get erections that look and feel better to you and your partner. Click link below video to learn more. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts.